The KL East Trail is a scenic nature trail located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's part of the eco-friendly development in KL East, designed to provide a serene escape into nature while promoting outdoor activities and environmental awareness. Location: situated near the KL East Mall, the trail offers convenient access for city dwellers looking to reconnect with nature. It is easily accessible from the Klang Valley area.
Trail features: length and difficulty. The trail is moderate in length, catering to beginners and casual hikers, though some sections may have steeper inclines. Terrain: the pathway includes a mix of natural forest trails, wooden bridges, and steps, making it relatively well maintained and easy to navigate. Landscaping: the area is landscaped to blend seamlessly with the surrounding greenery while preserving its natural beauty. Scenery: the trail winds through lush tropical rainforests, offering views of native flora and fauna. There are several spots to enjoy panoramic views of the Kuala Lumpur skyline, especially at higher points of the trail. Activities: hiking, ideal for light to moderate hiking enthusiasts. Birdwatching, a great spot for observing local bird species and wildlife. Photography, the scenic vistas and natural surroundings make it perfect for nature photography. Sustainability: the trail is part of the sustainable initiatives in KL East, focusing on conserving the environment and promoting ecotourism. Efforts have been made to minimize the environmental impact during its construction and maintenance. Facilities: rest areas and benches are available along the trail. Signage and markers are strategically placed to guide hikers. Some parts of the trail may lead to or connect with other attractions within the KL East development, such as parks or shopping areas. Tips for visitors: wear comfortable hiking shoes and bring water. Visit during early morning or late afternoon for cooler weather. Be mindful of wildlife and adhere to leave no trace principles. The KL East Trail is an excellent option for those looking to enjoy the beauty of nature without venturing too far from the city.